The reason why it feels right is because your vibration is lining up with that vibration. So when they say attract things into your life, with the law of attraction, this is what it's talking about. What you think about will be stored into your subconscious. Your subconscious will change your vibration. That vibration is at a certain frequency, and you will only line up and get things that line up with that, only get things that line up with that frequency. If you think you're going to be poor your whole life, you're going to be poor your whole life. If you think you're going to be wealthy at a cellular level, deep down, you'll eventually be wealthy. It's going to come to you. If you think that people are always there to screw you over and that men are going to screw you over and cheat on you, then you're going to find a lot of those people, because those people line up with the reality, line up with the frequency that you're vibrating at. You're going to find only those people. But if you switch it around and you truly believe that the right person for you is out there, as long as you get yourself out there, that person is going to find you. You're going to find them. And when you do find, you're going to match vibrationally, which is how the law of attraction works. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video.